What is the significance of OT levels in Scientology teachings? Have you ever wondered what it means to reach the highest spiritual states in Scientology? The operating Thetan levels, often referred to as OT levels, are key to understanding this belief system. These levels representing advanced spiritual states that go beyond the state of clear. When someone reaches these levels, they are believed to be free from the reactive mind, which is thought to hold back spiritual growth. The significance of OT levels lies in their aim to restore a person's true spiritual nature. In Scientology, a Thetan is considered an immortal spiritual being, the essence of who you are. Achieving these levels means gaining more control over your spiritual existence and abilities. This includes the ability to act independently of the physical body and to influence matter, energy, space, and time. In Scientology, this is referred to as MEST. OT levels are structured as a series of steps, each one building on the previous one. This design helps individuals reclaim lost spiritual powers and overcome limitations from past traumas and experiences. These limitations can include implants and body Thetans, which are believed to be disembodied spiritual entities attached to a person. Progressing through the OT levels involves specialized auditing processes and drills. These practices aim to free the Thetan from these encumbrances, allowing it to operate freely and consciously. Practically speaking, the OT levels are seen as essential for addressing the highest aspects of existence. This includes concepts like immortality and spiritual freedom. Many followers view these levels as the pinnacle of Scientology's spiritual teachings. They believe that the benefits gained from these levels go beyond ordinary understanding. Individuals who progress through these levels often report feeling more empowered to handle life and existence with greater awareness. In summary, the OT levels are significant in Scientology because they representing a path to achieving the highest spiritual state. This journey allows a person to become fully self-determined as a Thetan, with expanded spiritual abilities and freedom from physical and mental constraints. This progression is central to Scientology's teachings about human potential and spiritual growth.